Camel crickets, also known by other names like spider crickets or sprickets, are generally harmless to humans. When they invade homes, they can cause some serious damage to clothing, furniture, and other fabric products around the house. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify and get rid of camel crickets on your property so your clothing and furniture can remain safe and functional. You can save on pest control with DIY products and do it fast with free shipping from Solutions Pest and Lawn. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about camel cricket control, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Camel crickets get their name from their hump-shaped backs. Although at first glance, these crickets can resemble spiders due to their long legs and short bodies. This is how they also came to be called spider crickets or sprickets. They're usually beige and brown in color, and their bodies can range from half an inch to 1.5 inches in body length. Like other crickets, camel crickets have large, powerful hind legs that they use to jump around. Unlike other crickets, camel crickets do not have wings and are incapable of flight. Additionally, even though camel crickets belong to the same family as other crickets, they are unable to make the signature chirping sound that most crickets are known for. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or to find hotspots of activity. In addition to the names spider crickets and sprickets, camel crickets may also sometimes be referred to as cave crickets. This is because they prefer to live in dark areas with excess moisture. When outdoors, check for these pests in areas like underneath yard debris, leaf litter, mulch, soil beds, under potted plants, and other damp areas. When conditions become too hot or too cold, camel crickets will find their way indoors. When indoors, look in your basement, garage, crawl spaces, inside of trash cans, or anywhere else where excessive moisture can develop. You'll be on the lookout for any signs of camel cricket activity. This includes any of the crickets themselves, nesting sites, chewed vegetation, or chewed fabric. Take note of what you find, as where you find activity may affect your approach to treatment. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment, or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To get rid of camel crickets in and around your home, you'll need to use a combination of insecticides that will kill and control them. To get rid of camel crickets outside, use a product like Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT is a liquid insecticide concentrate made with bifenthrin. With just half a fluid ounce, you can treat 1,000 square feet of area and protect your lawn from a wide variety of insect pests. If you've found signs of camel cricket activity on your property, you'll first conduct a perimeter treatment around your home with a mix rate of 0.33 to 1 whole fluid ounce of Reclaim IT per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Afterwards, you can broadcast a solution of Reclaim IT over your entire lawn at a rate of 0.25 to 0.5 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. We recommend you use a handheld pump sprayer since it will make mixing and spraying a variety of treatment applications quick and easy. To mix Reclaim IT, fill your pump sprayer with half a gallon of water and add your measured amount of product. Add the rest of the water up to the 1 gallon line. Close the sprayer and shake to ensure an even distribution. Pump the sprayer a few times to produce a low-pressure spray. To conduct a perimeter treatment around your structure, spray any entry points around the outside of your home like doors, windows, vent openings, and other voids in the wall. Then start at one point along your structure's outer perimeter and continue to treat along the outside by spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. Avoid overlapping this application with your prior treatments. Once you've finished treating your structure, mix a new solution of Reclaim IT at the proper mix rate and broadcast it over your entire lawn. Use a fan setting to ensure the grass blades become coated with solution, and apply to turf to the point of wet but not runoff. When you're done treating outdoors, you can treat tight indoor spaces with a product like D-Fender Dust. D-Fender Dust is a dry, moisture-resistant insecticidal dust, making it ideal for application in areas where camel crickets are gathering. To use D-Fender Dust, you'll need a handheld duster with a long, narrow spout to treat tight cracks and crevices. Fill the duster about halfway with dust and leave plenty of room for air circulation. Hold the duster with the cavity toward the bottom, shake, and squeeze the duster to apply the product. The amount of dust you use will vary based on site, but you should usually apply 2 to 3 grams per square yard. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop camel cricket activity is to make sure it can't happen. After you've applied chemical treatment, you'll want to monitor for further activity by setting up glue traps around common pest entry points. We recommend you use Solutions Pro glue boards. Using these is simple. Just peel off a trap's paper seal and set it close to an entry point, out of reach of any children or pets. Its flat design allows you to set it discreetly underneath most furniture. If you, a child, or a pet get stuck, you can use any cooking oil to loosen the trap's stickiness. To reduce the likelihood of any reinfestation in the future, we recommend you implement some integrated pest management, or IPM, to make your property less conducive to pest activity. Use dehumidifiers and fans to reduce moisture from your home. If there are any issues contributing to excess moisture, such as a leaky roof or a faucet, it will need to be fixed to ensure your interior stays dry. By keeping your interior dry, pests will be less likely to invade when the weather becomes too harsh. You can get rid of potential camel cricket harborages by raking leaf litter and picking up lawn debris. You'll also need to address moisture issues outside of your structure as well. This may involve trimming back any overhanging tree branches to reduce shade and encourage water evaporation, or you may also need to trim your grass to its preferred height to maintain blade and root health. Some southern grasses like St. Augustine fare well when regularly mowed to a height of 3 inches. If you keep man-made sources of standing water like bird baths, drain them when they're not in use. Camel crickets may pose a danger to your fabrics, but there are ways to manage and control an infestation that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop camel crickets from infesting your home, and we offer free and fast shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.